পথেই এবার নামো সাথী, পথেই হবে এ পথ চেনা। তাই জিরো ভিশনের ক্যামেরা বেরিয়ে পড়েছে ভুবনেশ্বরের নানা জায়গায় আনাচে কানাচে। কোভিড-19 করোনা ভাইরাস এই মহামারী সারা দেশটাকে জুড়ে তুলেছে এক তাণ্ডব লীলা। ভারতবর্ষের অন্যান্য দর্শনস্থলের মধ্যে অন্যতম হল ভুবনেশ্বর। শুধু দর্শনস্থল হিসেবে নয়, প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্য এখানে বিরাজমান। বর্তমানে করোনা ভাইরাস অথবা কোভিড-19 প্রকোপে পর্যটন শিল্প একবারে ভেঙে পড়েছে। এখানে জনসাধারণ এবং সাধারণ জীবনযাত্রা একেবারে বিভীষিকাময় উঠে পড়েছে। মানে আমরা এখন দাঁড়িয়ে আছি ডিসিপি শ্রীমতী সাগরিকা নাথের সামনে। চলুন আমরা শুনে নিই তার কাছ থেকে কিছু বিশেষ মুহূর্তের কথাবার্তা। ভুবনেশ্বর পুলিশ কীরকমভাবে করোনা ভাইরাস এবং এই যে বন্ধ চলছে সেটাকে রক্ষা করে চলছেন, তারা অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম করে চলছেন। আসুন ম্যামের সামনে।
On behalf of the Commissionerate Police are completely determined and we are focused in fighting this war against corona. In this war, our approach is a two-pronged approach in which one, we are focusing on the shutdown and the lockdown policies that has been enforced by the state. And on the second half, we are completely focusing on creating awareness and generating more and more awareness among people so that suo motu they will follow all the rules that have been established and we can win this war against corona. In the awareness forum, we are focusing mostly on the usage of mask and social distancing through both through on-road awareness as well as through our social media handles. We are trying to educate people more and more about what not to do during these COVID times. We had come up with a campaign of how not to wear a mask, in which we were propagating the proper ways of how to wear a mask. Along with it, during the containment, during the times in which the containment zones were declared and people were not allowed to come out of their houses, we realized that hygiene was the most important thing that needs to be focused and needs to be followed. Keeping those in lines, we also carried out a campaign of distributing sanitary napkins in the containment zones and in the slum areas of Bhubaneswar so that an overall idea of hygienic living can be developed, and ultimately the goal of sanitizing your hands and keeping your surroundings clean, maintaining a hygienic condition, following social distancing, and all those things can be followed, and the spread of this virus can be contained. Ultimately, we also focus on the care to our personnel, in which we have made available all kinds of PPE kits, sanitization, masks, visor kits, and everything to our personnel. Apart from that, the huge campaign was carried by the Odisha police, in which we treated all the guest workers, the migrant laborers, those who are in the state, with utmost care and caution, and we ensured that none of them who were in Odisha were allowed to go on foot. Wherever in any district, anybody who was found, the migrant laborer was found to be walking across to their state, we used to get them. We used to hire a bus or any kind of vehicle that was possible, and we used to send them to the other place where they wanted to go. This was a campaign carried out by Honorable DGP of the state, and which was widely appreciated. We also, on a regular basis, in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack Police, on a regular basis, we were providing food to poor and destitute people on a daily basis to around 2,000 to 5,000 people. We, as a group, as a team, as a unit, are totally determined to fight this war against corona, and we expect that you understand the new norm and consider this COVID pandemic as a new normal, follow the hygienic rules that are there, follow the social distancing norms, and help us beat this virus.
Ma'am, the last question is from my side. What is your opinion about the coronavirus or COVID-19, and how we will protect ourselves? Just tell me about your.
It's very simple. If we need to defeat this virus, we need to come together and we need to understand that we are all in this together. There are two major weapons to fight this virus. One is social distancing, and second is proper usage of mask. We should try not to reach the hospital, and we should try so that we and our family and our near and dear ones are completely safe and they do not contract this virus. But in case, worst case scenario, if you are affected, if anybody is affected, let's not condemn them, let's not treat them as untouchables. Let's be compassionate because to be human should be our ultimate goal.
Thank you very much, ma'am. The best cooperation. Thank you for Z-Vision, Zero Vision.
Thank you.
অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ জিরো ভিশনের তরফ থেকে ডিসিপি ট্রাফিক মিস সাগরিকা নাথকে। আমরা শুনে নিলাম ওনারা কি কি পুলিশি ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছেন ভুবনেশ্বরের জনসাধারণের কাছে। জিরো ভিশন মানে আপনার আমার সবার চ্যানেল। আর একটা কথা মনে রাখবেন, আপনারা যদি রিপোর্টার হতে চান, আপনারা যদি কোনো নিউজ দিতে চান, চলে আসুন আমাদের সঙ্গে, ঘরে বসে থাকবেন না। 8018868739 আপনার সাথে, আপনার পাশে, জিরো ভিশন সামনে।